Tucked away in the heart of the Gargano National Park, Spiaggia di Mattinata is a hidden paradise where the beauty of nature and the Adriatic Sea embrace in perfect harmony. The soft, golden sand stretches out beneath the towering cliffs, creating a peaceful retreat from the bustling world. The crystal-clear waters sparkle under the sun, inviting you to dive into their refreshing embrace, while the gentle waves lap against the shore in a soothing melody. It's the perfect place to bask in the warmth of the sun, listen to the whispers of the breeze, and let time slow down. This place isn't just about beauty. It's a place where nature invites you to unwind, recharge, and connect with the land and sea. Nearby, the mysterious Grotta di San Michele and rugged coastline add an adventurous touch for those looking to explore beyond the sand. This is more than a beach. It's a destination where every moment feels timeless, where the sea meets the sky and the heart finds its rhythm.